Ni kadege bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kasni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Jainta Hills District uba Garot LSN Dikes haka arpo terik urisau arjar arpo. Ule Ïakynduh kerpang ya Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Karbi Anglong District Syed Isfakur Rahman ha kanong ba joai negabenta ban Ïakren penbej Halor uput usam hapdeng kini ki artli ki district kibayatakho nakajalla Meghalaya bat nakajalla Assam. Hakane ka jingyalang nakaliang gibor sensyar ka West Jainta Hills District layadon lang ru Superintendent of Police u B Marak u Additional Deputy Commissioner uba Ïakynduh u Border Magistrate uba B Bla bat u Dr. B Langbang bat kiwe ki officer. Kat ba nakaliang kinong mikmat jong ka West Karbi Anglong Hamren District layadon lang ru ka Superintendent of Police ka Ramandip Kaur u Additional Deputy Commissioner u Border Magistrate u Robert Tulo ki officer nakatnat Forest, PWD, bat naka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council. Haka jingilang kabalalong, haka no paisngi, layadon lang ru u Chief Executive Member jong ka Jainta Hills Autonomous District Council, uma Thombor Shiwat, bat ki Executive Members, kat ba nakaliang jong ka Assam, lawan mi kamat da u Mansing Rongpi, u balong ru u MLA jong ka Baithalangso, bat ki Executive Member jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Today we had a very fruitful discussion. It's very heartening to know that we don't have much of major issues between those districts. There are small issues which can definitely be solved by discussion, and we are glad that we could resolve many minor issues. And as decided, we see that most of the problems are basically almost village level problems. That's why if a mechanism can be built so that the Longpura or village admin from both sides, they can meet frequently, border magistrate can meet frequently, some cultural exchange, some trades, these kind of things can be organized in the border. I think that will lead to more interaction between the people of both sides, and which will also act like a confidence building measure. Another thing is that people in the border area, they are entitled to various development works. So basic thing is that some communication gap is there. So somewhere sometimes some communication gap, due to communication gap, some informations are not received. So we have taken the Karbi Autonomous Council also on board with us, because as a 6 schedule area, development works are basically executed by the Autonomous Council. So most of the information are actually emanate from the council. From them, it should either come to me directly, and then I can send it to a certain page, or their novel officer can send it directly. So after this meeting, we'll set up a mechanism, we'll discuss with the Principal Secretary of the Autonomous Council, and so that some mechanism can be built, so that there is no need for sending letters for each and every scheme. Some broad guideline from instruction can be given, so that automatically every work sanction letter or something or some intimation comes to it. I think that will help. And another thing is that, as you know, some small issues are there. So these will always be there when two brothers live together side by side. Sometimes something happens between them. So the relation between us should not be hampered. So these things will come and go. An election is coming. So for election, definitely there are many elements which try to create this kind of problems to their advantage. So we hope that both sides will keep strict watch on these troublemongers, so that no such incident will take place. And definitely we look forward to meeting frequently so that this kind of issues can be resolved. Border notification is definitely there. And border pillars are there in most of the places. So it is not there, because as I told in the meeting, one is a constitutional boundary which is already notified. And second thing is that drawing that border on the ground. If you see, India attained independence in 1947. Drawing a border by notification and actual implementation in the ground are two different things. So that for this, I think both government will have to sort of certain modalities, because if Assam side demarcate the border, definitely other state will not agree. If other state demarcate the border, definitely there may be some problem on our side. So it should be by consent of the two states. And after that only it can be done. Notification is definitely there. It is built on it is not a new road. How can you have paddy field on an existing road? It's a new road being again work is being done. So it is not a newly developed road. If you go to the spot, earlier road is there. It was some UKT road. Now it is being revealed because that was done long time back. So somehow it has already been damaged. So only that road has been repaired. It's not that it's a new road. This is only basically intimation. Suppose one scheme is taken up by certain government agencies. So intimation will be there. So after that, tender will be called, work order will be issued, contractor will come. Who will keep it? This is a long process. It's not that today order is given, from tomorrow the contractor will come back on. So the date and alerting is different thing, but only general intimation we are building this road or we are building this school. That may be the intimation, but you cannot say that we are going to start work from this date, we are going to already or stay at this place. So these kind of things I don't think it is only basically intimation about the
To start with, we start with the dialogue framework, which was decided in the Chief Secretary double meeting held on 21st June 2020. The dialogue framework stated that there should be level meeting at the OC level, border district level, and also DC and SP level. So today we take forward the decision taken in the joint DC SP meeting held in November 2018 in Nagpur. The decision that time was for developmental work. The DCs from both districts will inform each other, and after being informed, we should not obstruct the developmental works. Some of the issues which we raised from the district admission of the West Jainta as well as from West Karbi, Anglong were placed in the Jainta. I can say the discussion has been fruitful, and as I said earlier, the structure there will be meeting at the border district, but today we also decided to encourage community level meeting, that is at the level of headman in the border area of two districts. So that as we are aware, most of the issues started at the village level. So the district, the joint meeting recommended we should encourage that community level meeting also should take place. And in addition to community level meeting, in the afternoon session when we have this interactive session with the honorable elected members, it was suggested and accepted that we will facilitate trade and commerce. For example, maybe we follow the model of border huts to be followed in the local market, whereby producers which are available from Karbi Anglong, they can sell to the market in West Jainta district. Mainly producers, mostly agricultural producers, they can sell in markets in West Karbi Anglong. This is in a nutshell the broad decision we took today in the DC SP level meeting.